Okay, what I'm doing is I'm taking the low temperature Hobart Aluminum brazing rod from Northern Tool, and I'm using it to braze or weld. Well, it's not really welding because I'm only soldering. It's kind of like soldering, but you can find the plans to this on the website. This is basically 1/4-inch aluminum that was CNC cut with a 3-axis CNC machine. You can use something like the Inventables X-Carve, or I use the Millwright CNC Carve King. And the templates are all available on the website for this. This is just a piece of 2.75 aluminum coupling off eBay, cut in half. The rib here is for the urethane hose. I already wire brushed it, and now I'm going to preheat it using this camp stove. I tried to do it with just a propane torch, but I couldn't keep the base material hot enough, and it wouldn't work. So this is working pretty good on the first one, and we're gonna let this warm up for a while. Now, it takes quite a while to warm up. You'll know it's ready when you can put this brazing rod on here and it just starts to melt. It's not ready. All right, it's starting to melt just a little bit, so it's almost ready. Here we go. And now it just flows in. just like soldering a copper pipe. If you have a really steady hand, this will look a lot better than mine does right here. Melting aluminum is a really cool thing to work with because it gets this film on it. Now, I definitely put too much down in some spots, so I'm gonna have to go back and clean it up a little bit. This is only my second time doing this. And as you can see, I'm not that good, but we'll get there. And that's it. And let it cool slowly. This is the one from before.